So this is just a quick update video. I'm just going to show you the plants that I've started getting for my new garden space. I've gotten some distressed plants from Lowe's that I'm trying to sort of revive. So I'm going to take you outside and show you all of that. I'm also going to do a quick walkthrough of the space that has been cleared of the brush with some trees also cut down. We had the storm Isaiah come through, and thank God all the dead trees were cut down before, and I didn't have a lot of damage. But I realized that I'm not able to till the ground and do anything gardening there yet because I still have some live roots that needs to be killed, right? So I'm going to be using a brush killer, but I'll do a quick walkthrough to show you the entire space that has been cleared. So yeah, come with me and I'll show you all of that. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, okay? And so let's just get started with the plan. Hey guys, so here are the distressed plants that I've been saving for the last month and a half from Lowe's. I have about 15 of them so far, and I'm going to begin with the hydrangeas that I have. I have 3 Nikko hydrangeas that I got. I think the original price for these were like, I think $17.99, and I was able to get them for $5 each. Before they were like dead. They weren't blooming or anything like that, and I think that's why Lowe's just get rid of them when they decide they think they're gonna die. But I'm so grateful because, you know, with gardening it comes with a lot of expenses, and these are the sort of plants you need if you're going to have a very nice garden, you know. So yeah, so it's Nikko blue hydrangea here. I love Nikko blues. I have a lot around my place. Yeah, so I have 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 Nikko blue hydrangeas here. And then here I have the arrow, I think, what's this, arrowwood viburnum. These I got for $10, and they were originally $24.98. and look at how tall these things have gotten though. It's amazing. I'm telling you, you have to use superthrive when you're trying to save these plants. I just use that once every week for all these dying plants, and all of them have come back. So here I have the viburnum. I'm really excited about this because I've never planted these before. So I have 2 of these here. You know, look at how tall these are. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing because I'm really excited about these. So that's 5, and then I have these here. Right here I have purple fountain grass. These were $1 each because I thought it was going, and so far they're doing okay. I just been watering them every day, and I'm giving them superthrive once every week, you know. So $1. So this is $3 here. And then I have here I have Astilbes. If you don't know about Astilbes are mainly for shade, and I got this for like $3, you know, and they've also come back. If you are in a very shaded area, this is the one plant you want to have. They don't need sun to survive, and they are amazing. They have them in different colors, okay? So Astilbes are your friend if you are a shade gardener. So I have 2 of these here. And then I have this here. I have Maynite salvia. The original price was $14.98, and I was able to get it for $3. But I still have to take care of this though. I have to cut all of that around and just, you know, before I plant this fall. So yeah, so here they are, you know. And then right here I have about 4 plants from proven winners that are coming back to my amazement, you know. So let's start with this one. This one was completely dead. Original price for this was $25.98, and I got this for $10. So, and when I got this, it didn't have any of this thing up here, and I think that's why they put this on sale. And this one here is a big leaf hydrangea. You know, I'm very excited about this. I have to probably pay extra attention to this one, you know. I was hoping it would be taller, but I don't know. But I have to pay extra attention because I want to plant this fall too. The next proven winners plant that I got was this one here, and this is the one that has really shocked me the most because it was dead, okay? And this is the double play artisan, and I got this for 25. No, this original price was $25.98, and if you can see that, and I got it for, let's see, $10. Yeah, and look at how big this has gotten though. This is like massive, like it's gotten so big. And then I have this right here. This one here also is $25.98. I think I got this for $10. I don't see the, oh, right here. The sale price is $10 also. And this here, let's see, is a double play doozy. I'm really excited about these plants because, you know, when I got them, like I said, really, really, really bad. Now the next one here is the Color Spice Pink Dawn. Very excited about this one. This one was also like dead, but I have to cut this. I have to do maintenance to these plants because they're all going in the ground this fall. I'm so grateful to Lowe's because without distressed plants, I don't know how some gardeners like myself would have survived. So yeah, so these are the plants. Now we're gonna go do the walkthrough of the empty area, and I'll show you what I'm talking about, the live roots that need to be killed with a brush killer. All right. Hey guys, so this is the area that has been cleared. This is going to be the entrance, and this is the brook that is like really dried right now. But I want to show you what I'm talking about. I have all these roots, right? Like, look at this. I have all these roots that need to be like killed. I have these here. Do you see these things? These things need to be cut down. You know, this is the entire like space, and that's the rock that I was talking to you about. I still need a little bit of clearing that I can do myself, but I have a lot of these like small roots, you know, that need to be killed, and this is what the brush killer is going to be for. Like, if you look around this particular area, I have this here, I have this here, I have that, I have this here, I have this here, right? I have this here, and then I have this here. So I have a lot of these things. You know, I'm actually really excited because it's a lot of work, but I'm up for it, you know, because once I'm able to kill all these little things, I have to till the ground. I have a tiller, so I can till the ground. I'm gonna add gypsum. Oh, gypsum is so amazing if you're just starting afresh, okay? So I have this here that needs to be killed. I have to spray this, all of this. You know, there are little ones here, a lot of them. Like, if you look right here, there's like little ones here, like this one here. Like right here, right? This like right here, right here. And then I have this like right here. So lots, oh, not that one. Lots and lots of brushes, roots that need to be taken care of. And then I see some stuff are coming back here. Yeah, so all of this area is going to be the garden, and then this is going to be where I have, so look at this. I have this here. The soil is very clayey though, so then right here. So right here, the space here is where I'm going to have my vegetable garden, right here. I still need to blow. I have a blower. I'm gonna do all this myself. I also need to fix a fence where I don't have deer coming from that side to eat my vegetables. So I'm gonna have a vegetable garden here. The entrance is going to be separate from the main garden. So you see these here. I'm going to actually put another gate here. And I've been trying to compost. So here, I'm going to create like an area where I can, all this is going to be compost. I have to put some stuff on it too. It's gonna take years, but I'm excited. It's something I can actually use, you know. So this is where the vegetable garden is going to be. That section is mine. Also that's where the pool is. You know, and look at this rock. Big rock, right? Yeah, so now the section here wasn't cleared because it's wetlands. I don't know about your state, but in Connecticut, you can't clear wetlands. You can clear it with your hands, but you're not allowed to use a tractor to go on wetlands to clear it. So that's why I've left it. So I'm actually thinking I'm gonna buy a machete just to cut down a lot of the brush myself, and then just create like maybe a small jungle and just leave it alone. I like wetlands. The plants, the animals that are in there need a space, a place to live, so I'm not gonna disturb them. Yeah, so but look at this stuff. All this needs to be cut down and killed, right? Because otherwise they'll come back. So this is the wetlands, and you're not supposed to use a tractor on wetlands, you know. So yeah, right here, you know. So there it is. This is the space that I'm really excited about. If I can use a brush killer to sort of just kill all the roots that are coming up, I'll be very excited. And I'm actually waiting to see if this, once the drought is over, you actually see the water flowing in this little brook or stream that I have here. Yeah, so you can see clearly now that they've cut down all of that. So the water goes right here, right there, and then right here it's all dried. Oh, I don't have, what are you doing? I have a little frog. Yeah, so look at the water right there. Oh my god, a few early part of this year, there was so many fishes in here. It was so amazing. I was feeding them. I can't wait to show you guys, you know. And I'm hoping I can also make the bridge a bit taller so that I can actually pull my lawnmower through once I fix that side, so that I can cut everything, because I can see them growing right now. The brush is trying to grow back, you know. So yeah, so here it is. And that's the water, you know, you see it. It's so peaceful, and I truly like it. Yeah, so this is the bridge, and as you can see, the brush is actually coming back, so I need to be very careful. So I'm gonna put a brush killer on there. Yeah, so yeah, so this is the update. On the day that I'm going to put the brush killer, I will try to make a video. I don't have anyone to film. I'm filming myself, so filming is a bit awkward right now, so I do apologize. But yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.